How did the CanCoverIt units perform?
So I was able to basically, tear down a house to a point where I pulled all the insulation out of it, and I was able to set up a blower door. I was able to see the improvements that happened as the CanCoverIts were installed. So I got a building leakage number from the get-go. Then I added about 25 CanCoverIts. And what I found was that the duct leakage I saved was about 40 CFM per penetration. Given, again, 20 penetrations in a 1,200 square foot home, that can be a pretty significant change in the leakage of that home. So I saw it right up front. I knew right away that I was making a difference in building leakage, and I had stellar reviews from the customers based upon their comfort. Even so much as to have customers tell me that they probably wouldn't have bought air conditioning if they knew that the energy efficiency upgrades, which included CanCoverIt, made such a difference in the interior climate of their home.